Hi, come back with me, Diva Irfani. This time I will tell you how to make jelly. Let's start it.
The ingredients are 1 sachet jelly powder, 2 sachet chocolatos drink, sugar, and water. First, pour the jelly powder into the water. Then stir. And then put the chocolate string little by little. Then stir it again. Don't forget to add a little sugar. Pour into the pan. Then cook over low heat till boiling and be like cotton candy. After that, pour into baking dish and flatten quickly. Let's stand a few moments until it hardens. Finally, once cool, cut into pieces. Slick. Serve in small bowls. Then pour the milk. Jelly ready for eating.
Okay, that was how to make jelly. Take it easy, right? Okay, I will end my video. So thank you for watching and best wishes.